Aston Martin is cutting up to 20% of its workforce. BMW is recalling more than 58,000 cars over an AC wiring harness fire risk. Hey everyone, this is Apex Brief, daily auto news for people who actually care. Everything happened in the last 24 hours. Money pressure first. Aston Martin says it will cut up to 20% of its workforce. This is not a gentle trim. This is a niche brand protecting cash. Demand cooled, borrowing got expensive. Small brands feel it first. And cuts like this usually mean one thing. Projects slow down. Big R&D gets pushed into next year. So here's what I'm looking for next. Do they delay product plans? Do they cut spending on electrification? And do we see a second move, asset sales, emergency funding, or a guidance reset? BMW, more than 58,000 cars, and MM5 models are in there. The issue is an air conditioning wiring harness. If it is routed wrong, it can short. And yes, that is another fire risk. More tech, more wiring, more points of failure. Speed is everything here. Can dealers get parts quickly? Can owners get appointments quickly? And does BMW end up widening the list of affected models? Now is the perfect time to subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Like this episode. And share your opinion in the comments. Battery news, this one is big. A report tied to Donut Lab says an independent measurement showed 0 to 80% charge in about 4.5 minutes. If it works outside a lab, charging becomes a non-issue overnight. Big if. One fast charge is easy. Do it 100 times in summer heat, in winter cold, without frying the battery. That is the test. So show the full details. Power level, temperature, repeat runs. And cycle life after lots of charges. Waymo is expanding driverless ride service to 4 more U.S. cities: Houston, Dallas, San Antonio, and Orlando. That is huge, because every new city is a headache. New maps, new operations, new rules, new regulators, and it changes what cars mean in a city. Less private cars, more shared fleets, more data tracking, and a lot more focus on downtime and repair cost. So the real metric is simple. When does testing turn into actual service people can use every day? Quick rumor to close. Lincoln is reportedly exploring a Bronco-based G-Wagon-style rival. If real, it is a goldmine. Luxury off-road always sells. But Lincoln cannot just slap leather on a Bronco and triple the price. It has to feel like a different product. Otherwise, it is just cannibalization with a fancy badge. So the tell will be prototypes and paperwork. Is it a true separate model? Or just an expensive trim package story? One thing stands out today. Safety is moving faster than EV hype. Autonomy is scaling faster than battery hype. And even luxury brands are cutting muscle to protect cash. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. I will see you tomorrow.